21-foot boat, big tech on this boat. We've got your Simrad here. This is a 9-inch Simrad. Simrad makes it extremely easy to venture out to whatever destination you've set for the day. Basically, you can just hold the screen and pin pad any location, any coordinates, and it'll show you the safest route through all the markers and let you navigate yourself really easily, just like you're using your phone when you're going down the road. Here at the throttle, lots of big tech features here. So we've got your active trim that's going to actively maneuver the engine up and down based upon how efficiently it can get your boat on plane. You've also got your throttle only button. Let's say you're out enjoying yourself, everybody's on the boat. Now this boat does fit 12 people, so you can fit quite a number of people on this boat. Let's say that you're hanging out, someone's having a discussion here, you bump into your throttle. That throttle only is going to save you from actually engaging the boat into a forward or reverse motion. Lots of safety features on the boat.